Welcome to our video on Hublot Watches, a brand that has redefined luxury watchmaking with its bold designs and innovative spirit. Known for its iconic art of fusion philosophy, Hublot seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge materials and avant-garde aesthetics. From the sporty Big Bang collection to the elegant classic fusion line, each timepiece is a testament to precision, creativity, and individuality. In this video, we'll explore the craftsmanship, innovation, and iconic designs that make Hublot a favorite among watch enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. Whether you're a fan of bold statements or understated elegance, join us as we dive into the world of Hublot watches where art meets engineering. Number 10. The Hublot Big Bang Sang Blue. The watch is a masterpiece of avant-garde design and precision engineering, born from the collaboration between Hublot and the renowned tattoo studio, Sang Blue. This timepiece redefines traditional watch aesthetics with its bold, geometric design inspired by the art of tattooing. The case features a unique hexagonal shape, complemented by intricate layered dials and facete hands that create a mesmerizing three-dimensional effect. Crafted from materials like titanium, ceramic, or king gold, the Big Bang Sang Blue exudes luxury and durability. The sapphire crystal ensures scratch resistance, while the automatic movement powers the watch with impeccable accuracy. The interchangeable strap system allows for customization. Number 9. The Hublot Classic Fusion Chronograph. The watch is a perfect blend of timeless elegance and modern sophistication. This watch embodies Hublot's signature art of fusion philosophy, combining traditional craftsmanship with innovative materials. The sleek, minimalist design features a polished titanium, ceramic, or king gold case paired with a refined dial and sub-dials for chronograph functionality. The sapphire crystal ensures scratch resistance, while the automatic movement delivers precise timekeeping. The classic fusion chronograph's understated yet luxurious aesthetic makes it versatile, suitable for both formal occasion and everyday wear. The interchangeable strap system allows for customization, adding a personal touch to its classic design. Number 8. The Hublot Big Bang Turbulence. The watch is a bold and avant-garde timepiece that pushes the boundaries of design and innovation. Inspired by the concept of turbulence, this watch features a striking case crafted from materials like king gold, titanium, or sapphire, with intricate geometric patterns that create a dynamic, eye-catching aesthetic. The Skeltonase dial offers a mesmerizing view of the intricate automatic movement, showcasing Hublot's mastery of horological craftsmanship. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold, angular design makes it a true statement piece. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is stylish. The Big Bang Turbulence is more than just a watch, it's a wearable work of art, designed for those who appreciate unconventional design and exceptional engineering. Number 7. The Hublot Big Bang Unico Saxem. The watch is a groundbreaking timepiece that showcases Hublot's innovative spirit and mastery of materials. This watch features a vibrant green case made from Saxem, sapphire aluminum oxide and rare earth mineral, a cutting-edge material that offers exceptional brilliance and durability. The translucent dial provides a captivating view of the Unico Hub 1242 automatic movement, highlighting the intricate mechanics within. The sapphire crystal ensures scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous accents enhance readability. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is striking. The Big Bang Unico Saxem is more than just a watch, it's a fusion of art, science, and horology. Its unique aesthetic and innovative use of materials make it a standout piece for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 6. The Hublot Classic Fusion Mykonos. The watch is a stunning timepiece that captures the essence of the iconic Greek island's vibrant energy and serene beauty. This watch features a sleek 45 mm titanium case with a striking blue dial, reminiscent of the Aegean Sea, and a matching blue rubber strap for a modern, sporty look. The minimalist design is enhanced by polished finishes and a date window, blending elegance with functionality. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping, while the sapphire crystal provides scratch resistance and clarity. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it's perfect for both casual and formal occasion. The classic Fusion Mykonos is more than just a watch, it's a celebration of Mediterranean charm and Hublot's signature art of fusion philosophy. Whether you're strolling along the beach or attending a sophisticated event. Number 5. The Hublot Big Bang DJ Snake. The watch is a bold and electrifying timepiece born from the collaboration between Hublot and world-renowned DJ and producer, DJ Snake. This watch embodies the energy and creativity of the music industry, featuring a striking black ceramic case with vibrant green accents that mirror DJ Snake's signature style. The Skeltonase dial offers a mesmerizing view of the Unico Hub 1242 automatic movement, showcasing the intricate mechanics within. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous details enhance readability. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is stylish. Number 4. The Hublot Big Bang EWAT Life. The watch is a groundbreaking timepiece that seamlessly blends luxury watchmaking with cutting-edge technology. Designed in collaboration with Watt, We Are Tennis, this watch celebrates a sporty lifestyle and sustainability. It features a bold 44 mm case crafted from black ceramic or titanium, paired with vibrant green accents that symbolize eco-consciousness and energy. The Skeltonase dial offers a captivating view of the Unico Hub 1242 automatic movement, showcasing Hublot's precision engineering. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous details enhance readability. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is stylish. The Big Bang EWAT Life also includes a unique NFC chip, allowing wearers to access exclusive content and experiences through the Watt app. Number 3. The Hublot Big Bang Tourbillon Samuel Ross. The watch is a masterpiece of avant-garde design, born from the collaboration between Hublot and acclaimed British designer Samuel Ross. This timepiece redefines luxury with its bold, industrial-inspired aesthetic, featuring a micro-blasted titanium case with vibrant orange accents that reflect Ross' signature style. The Skeltonase dial offers a mesmerizing view of the intricate manual winding tourbillon movement, showcasing Hublot's horological expertise. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous details enhance readability. Limited to just 50 pieces, this watch is a true collector's item, blending art, design, and precision engineering. With water resistance up to 30 meters, it's as functional as it is striking. The Big Bang Tourbillon Samuel Ross is more than just a watch, it's a wearable work of art, designed for those who appreciate bold, unconventional design and exceptional craftsmanship. Number 2. The Hublot Big Bang Unico Aero Bang. The watch is a bold and innovative timepiece that redefines the boundaries of watch design. This watch features a striking 42 mm case crafted from black ceramic or titanium, with a unique arrow-shaped pusher at 2 o'clock that adds a distinctive touch to its sporty aesthetic. The Skeltonase dial offers a captivating view of the Unico Hub 1280 automatic movement, showcasing Hublot's precision engineering and horological expertise. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous details enhance readability. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is stylish. The Big Bang Unico Aero Bang is more than just a watch, it's a fusion of innovation, performance, and avant-garde design. Number 1. The Hublot Classic Fusion Orlinsky. The watch is a stunning collaboration between Hublot and contemporary artist Richard Orlinsky, blending horology with sculptural art. This timepiece features Orlinsky's signature facette design, with a 40 case crafted from titanium, ceramic, or king gold, giving it a bold, geometric aesthetic. The dial, available in vibrant colors like blue, black, or titanium gray, complements the angular case, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it offers precise timekeeping, and the date window adds practicality to its artistic design. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it's suitable for everyday wear. The classic Fusion Orlinsky is more than just a watch, it's a wearable sculpture, designed for those who appreciate the fusion of art and engineering. Whether you're attending a formal event or making a bold style statement,